Hello! Yes, I look like heck on wheels. But Teddy and I and Emily just got back from our walk, and this is a project I'm working on right now. So this is a carpet that was beautiful at one point, but only an indoor-outdoor carpet if you never get it wet. And this thing started to rot and get moldy and split. Not a good idea. With my leaky patio roof, it would be different if it didn't leak. So pulling this one up and moving all my plants out of the way and just showing you all the gardening glory for now. I have a citronella plant that I bought at a local nursery, and I'm so in love with it. It's blooming, and most of us know what citronella smells like in the oil or the candles, but this is such a beautiful fragrance. Does anybody do a citronella wax melt? This would be really good mixed with like coastal kale or chamomile or beach nights maybe, but it's really pretty. The flowers smell, of course, exactly like citronella because that's what it is. And then I'm moving a plant and I see this forlorn little green chili growing along with some fragments of tomato, but I got a kick out of this green chili here that I'll pick. And it's a beautiful day. That's my rosemary that's kind of taken over and finally doing well with all the rain. And it's just such a nice day. My artichoke's doing so beautifully. I had to prop it up because the side was collapsing because of the heavy artichokes growing on it. I'm gonna get ready to go to the gym and come home and work, and then getting my hair touched up at 1:30. Got to get a little bit of the gray out, and that's about it, everyone. So I hope you all have a beautiful day. Teddy is exploring down there, and we are all just having a lot of gardening fun today. Thanks for tuning in. Talk to you soon. Bye.